besties and friends, it's Casharee and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm just going to be showing y'all how I achieve my go-to hairstyle. This is the style I wear 24/7 when I don't have a protective style in, and it's just my twist out or my fro glow as I like to call it. So if you want to see how I got this look, stay tuned and keep watching. I've already washed and moisturized my hair, so I'm going to start by making a middle part straight to the back of my head. I'm going to start my first section right here, just parting straight down. And section the rest back. I'm going to go in with my Care styling gel. And saturate this section really good. Now I'm just going to start my flat twist. So what I usually do, I just part a first section, split it in two, and just start twisting all the way down. And I'm just going to continue to do that same technique for this entire section, parting straight down, creating a flat twist, and then go on and complete this second half of my head. And I always end up having a total of 12 twists, 6 on each side. So now that I am all done, I'm just going to sit under the dryer for a little while just to make sure that this gets completely dry by the time I get up and get ready tomorrow. So I'll be back. Alright, y'all, so I'm back and it's now the next day. Hair is completely dry, so I'm just going to start taking down the twist. I'm going to take some oil and put it all on my fingertips while I take each one down. Okay, so that's all the twist taking out, and this is how it just looks regular. One back there was not dry, so I know that one's gonna be a little frizzy. But yeah, so now that I've done that, I'm gonna just take this comb with a little pick on the end and start to fluff out my hair and get rid of all those parts. And from there, I'm just gonna just pull and fluff as I feel needed to get my desired style and volume. And I'm one who likes like big hair, so I like to get it nice and voluminous. After I use that pick, I go in with the regular pick, and you will notice that I am not pulling all the way through, of course, because you don't want to ruin your curls you just made. So I'm just going to the roots and pulling a little bit, so like that. So here's my final look. The back of my hair did get a little frizzy because it was not completely dry like I thought it was, but it's all good because the front is popping. So this is the final look. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank y'all for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button below if you are not already one of my Cashinista friends, and make sure you hit that bell so that you receive notifications for all of my new videos. Also, my site is now live, open, and ready for business, so shop with me, y'all. www.shopcashqueen.com. Also, use the promo code Cashinista at your checkout to be sure that you can receive that special discount on your order just for y'all, my Cashinista friends. Thank y'all again for watching, and I will see y'all next time.